Good morning and welcome to the Casual Chef's Kitchen. It's Friday, TGIF. And more importantly, it's Pasta Friday. I think it's been a week or two since I've done a Pasta Friday. But we'll get to that in a moment. Last night, it was a culinary expedition day and night, and we were in Bosnia. And I prepared one simple little word, burek. Now, one of my friends in the group, who will renamed nameless, Ernie, also says that this is a dish from Turkey. Remember I mentioned I did a bunch of video research? I did more video research trying to find somebody who was using store-bought sheet phyllo. I finally found one. It was worth it. This dish is actually fun and excellent. I can see why it is so popular in Bosnia and Turkey. It's not hard. It just takes time. But with time comes good food, which brings love. All right, enough being mushy. Try it. It's good. And you can kind of make this your own. I stayed traditional. Tonight, being Pasta Friday, I'm doing my version based on research of Arrabbiata Pasta. I've taken the most basic version and kicked it up a notch, to borrow a phrase. So let's get to it. Instead of canned, I'm using fresh Roma tomatoes. The rest of the ingredients are very simple. A little bit of olive oil, garlic. I'm using mini penne pasta, as you know from watching me. This is one of my favorite tube pastas. A little bit of red bell pepper. Heavy whipping cream, just a splash to finish. Red pepper chili flakes. Smoked paprika. There will be parsley involved. There's Parmesan involved. And of course, kosher salt and black pepper. Simple, but flavorful. It should be a good time here at the Casual Chef's Kitchen on Pasta Friday. Do you have your menu set for Christmas? Whether it's Christmas Day or Christmas Eve? I do. Rob and I went over it the other night. We finalized it. Now I get to go shopping. Woohoo! It's not too bad. So, again, TGIF. Have a great day. Eat great food. And have fun cooking.